Major chip manufacturers in focus on Monday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsors. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Nvidia has the look of a market that's ready to go higher during pre-market trading on Monday, as we may be in the process of trying to form a little bit of a bottom. After all, we had sold off quite drastically, but the 200-day EMA sits just above, so I would expect a bit of choppiness. Nonetheless, it looks like it's going to be jumping about $2 right off the bat, so it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. But this is a Wall Street darling, and there is still a lot of demand out there for these momentum stocks. Perhaps people are starting to dip their toe back into the water. Intel looks like it's going to rise again during the pre-market trading hours, and it looks like it's going to open up right around the 200-day EMA. This is a truly interesting stock because the recent management change has a lot of people optimistic, but it's got a long way to go before profitability becomes a thing at Intel. Nonetheless, I do think this is a market that longer-term traders are going to be paying close attention to. After all, we are in the midst of what some people would consider to be a massive accumulation phase. So a break above the $28 level could really get this market moving to the upside for a much bigger move. In fact, the measured move would be to about the $36 level. AMD looks like it's going to open higher by about $3 as far as pre-market trading is concerned. That would put it in direct conflict with the 50-day EMA, but this is a market that looks like it's trying to jump out of a major downtrending channel. This typically leads to sideways action before a move to the upside. AMD will move right along with the other stocks, of course, though, so do keep that in mind. But ultimately, I think you've got a situation where AMD may have finally gotten cheap enough from a historical standard for people to get interested in it. And if it were to repeat previous performance, it could double from here. But obviously, that's a longer term outlook. As long as we stay above the $95 level, there's still a chance. But if we can break above the 50-day EMA and more importantly, close above there on a daily chart, I think that'd be extraordinarily bullish. My name's Chris. I look for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.